Garin lives on a lake he loves, but he's concerned. Debris and trash left by others blows into the water. He's worried about the aquatic life. Animals can eat the debris, he knows. When the debris breaks down in the water, chemicals are released, which can harm living things. And the debris builds up, hindering water flow. Beyond his lake, Garin helps clean canals. He's found half a skateboard, a belt buckle, and too much other nasty stuff. And yet, while cleaning up other people's trash, Garin noticed that right there where the debris is collected is a concrete structure with a nest of egrets. Nature finds a way, Garin says. The nest is a reminder that it's our job to protect the environment and the things that live there. Climate change, sustainability, conservation. There's a lot to worry about, a lot to do. But Garin says if we all do our part, it'll all be okay.